In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the notification feature in the Find My app effectively. Whether you're trying to keep track of family members or ensure that you're always aware of where your devices are, mastering these steps will make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open the Find My app on your iPhone. This app is a handy tool provided by Apple, designed to help you locate both your devices and, if you're all linked, your friends and family members. So once you have the app open, you'll see it's divided into two main sections: people and devices. Depending on what you're looking to keep tabs on, simply tap on the appropriate tab. If you're interested in receiving notifications about a specific person, maybe to know when a family member arrives home safely, you'll select the People tab. If it's a device you're concerned about, perhaps ensuring your personal gadgets are where they should be, then tap on Devices. Once you've selected either a person or device, move forward by selecting them from your list. This is where it gets more personalized, as you're now diving into the specific settings for your chosen target, be it a loved one or a gadget. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see an option labeled Notifications, and beneath that tap Add. This section is crucial because it gives you the power to stay informed about specific movements related to your entry. Here's where it gets interesting. You can choose to be notified under two distinct conditions, either when the person or device leaves a location or when they arrive at one. This flexibility is particularly useful if you have family members who commute, or if you're trying to ensure your phone isn't left behind somewhere. After you've decided on your preference, you'll need to set the location. You can choose from pre-defined locations like your home or work, but there's also the option to set a custom location if you need. In addition, consider adjusting the radius setting. This allows you to define how far from the location the alert should be triggered, which really helps in refining the notifications to your needs. Once all these selections are made, simply tap Add to save your notification settings. You've now customized alerts that will keep you informed in real time, providing peace of mind. And there you have it, a simple yet highly effective way to utilize the notification feature in the Find My app. By following these steps, you can ensure you're always in the loop with important arrivals and departures, making your daily routine just a little bit smoother. Thanks for sticking with me and happy tracking.